Good afternoon, OPOS stars. We'll see how to do the Sukku Coffee. This is a natural immunity booster drink. So this is the Sukku Coffee powder. I'll tell you what has gone into this. I'm taking quarter cup, slightly less than quarter cup of the Sukku Coffee powder. And we are going to make a concentrate. So you can dilute it and use it as you like. I'm using 1 cup of brown sugar. You can use jaggery if you like, or you can completely skip the sugar. And 1 cup of water. That's it. Close, cook on high for a couple of whistles. Now the Sukku Coffee powder is composed of all these. This is Sukku, which is dry ginger, peppercorns, cumin and dhania. All in equal proportions, or you can vary the proportions to your liking. These are roasted for a greater flavor. So take them, roast them, blend them, store them as a powder and use it exactly as you would use tea powder. You don't even need to filter this powder out. You can just take this concentrate, mix this with hot milk, mix this with hot water, mix this with any drink you like, and it makes a natural immunity boosting drink. You can skip the sugar if you like. This is the sugar I've used. Brown sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use jaggery, you can use karpati, or you can use whatever sweetener you like, even honey. So this would be a concentrate. You can store this outside the fridge for days together. It will stay fresh, and you just need to mix in a couple of teaspoons of this into any liquid to make it into a herbal drink. Let it go for 3-4 whistles and you're good to go. So basically we'll be following the hydrodistillation technique, in which we extract the goodness of the spices into water. This is the technique we follow for soups, for tea, and for infused or any kind of infused liquid. This is just a variant of the dum tea with different ingredients. So you can use the same technique for masala milk. You can put a bowl inside with raw milk and convert the whole thing into a milk variant. I think it was Sanjay who had requested for immunity boosting drinks, and there is a whole series of them, but the basic principle of everything is the same. Add whatever herbs and spices you like in water and extract the flavorings and goodness into the liquid. Here we have gone a step ahead and have converted it into a syrup, so it's very easy to use. Let it go for 2-3 whistles. It's already smelling divine. There will be hardly any spewing. 3, let it go for 1 more whistle. That's it. Switch it off. You can let the pressure settle if you like. I'll release it gently. For everything with sugar syrup, ensure that you soak the lid and wash it immediately, because the sugar syrup might enter the nozzle and harden. The aroma is pretty intense. wait for the steam to exit completely. And you'll have a syrup inside. There you go. That's how it looks. Now this has a pretty decent shelf life. It's a simple sugar syrup, infused sugar syrup. So you can refrigerate it, you can leave it in the open, doesn't matter. It stays fresh for days together. Just mix a tablespoon or two into whatever drink you're making to convert it into an immunity booster drink. Thank you very much.